brutal sell-off in chip makers spread through global markets on Friday. It led to a rout across Asia and also saw European shares open lower. It follows a shift in investor sentiment about an AI-driven rally as they reassessed its durability. Investors fled risk across Asia, which sent MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan down 2.7%, while the Nikkei tumbled more than 5%. Taiwan's stock market plunged more than 6% for its worst day since US President Donald Trump's Liberation Day tariffs. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index also slid 2.5%. The sell-off came even as Taiwan's TSMC announced a second quarter profit that blew past forecasts earlier in the week. Another AI-exposed firm in ASML also raised its sales forecasts earlier this week. Markets in South Korea were closed on Friday for a holiday. It came a day after authorities announced they would temporarily ban new listings of exchange-traded funds tied to certain major tech firms. They will also raise minimum required deposits for retail investors to invest in such products as they try to lower volatility. Oil prices were also on the rise in commodities. Brent crude futures crept up 0.1% at just over $84 a barrel. Iran said it launched fresh attacks on US facilities in the Gulf on Friday. That comes after a sixth consecutive night of US strikes on Iranian military facilities. Brent and US crude futures were due to rise more than 10% each for the week.